Welcome to the photo call for the film called Happy End, directed by Michael Haneke, the Austrian filmmaker who has already won 2 Palme d'Or here in Cannes. We're waiting for the cast to get together and come out for the photo call.
Dominique Besnéard, j'ai l'impression l'avoir vu sur ces images.
I just saw Dominique Besnéard on the screen.
Il est aussi à Cannes pour présenter ce film.
To present this film. This film is directed by Michael Haneke.
Dominique Besnéard, voilà, on le voit.
There we have Dominique Besnéard.
Sur les caméras.
You can see him right at the end. He plays the role of a hairdresser who goes to people's homes to do their hair, and he does the hair of the father of the family in the story, played by Jean-Louis Trintignant. They live in Calais, in the north of France. And there we see Jean-Louis Trintignant with his fictional son, played by Mathieu Kassovitz, and the director, Michael Haneke.
Partenaire à l'écran, Isabelle Huppert.
And Isabelle Huppert is on the screen with Jean-Louis Trintignant, back in Cannes after the film Love, in which they both starred.
Le sourire de Jean-Louis Trintignant.
Jean-Louis
Ça nous fait très plaisir qu'il ait fait le déplacement jusqu'à
is
Cannes.
happy to be here, and we are delighted to have him here in
Voilà
Cannes.
donc Isabelle Huppert.
Isabelle Huppert is there, ready for her photo call.
Suivi des 2 autres membres de sa famille
She
que sont
is
Jean-Louis Trintignant
being followed by Jean-Louis Trintignant, who plays her father in the film, and Mathieu Kassovitz, who plays her brother.
Et donc Michael Haneke, le réalisateur,
The director, Michael Haneke, is also
est là,
joining
présent à
them.
leur côté.
Alongside some other members of the team.
C'est donc le photocall
So here we're at the photo call
de Happy End,
for the film called Happy End,
nouveau film de Michael
the
Haneke,
latest film by Michael Haneke.
avec donc, je vous le disais, sur ces
And
images, Isabelle
you
Huppert,
can see
Jean-Louis
on your
Trintignant,
screen Isabelle
Mathieu
Huppert,
Kassovitz.
Jean-Louis Trintignant,
Il me semble voir
Mathieu
également
Kassovitz.
Toby Jones.
I think I spotted Toby Jones also.
Sur la gauche de l'écran, qui
He's
était
on
là
the
pour
left
le
of the
film de Matteo
screen.
Garrone et
He's
également
also here
qui
for a
était présenté
Garrone
en
film,
compétition, Tale of
which
Tales.
it was called Tale
On
of
voit également
Tales.
Franz Rogowski.
We can also see on the screen
acteur et
Franz
chorégraphe et
Rogowski.
danseur
He
allemand
is
à
a
ses côtés.
German dancer and choreographer, an actor also.
Jean-Louis Trintignant encore sur ces images.
There we had Jean-Louis Trintignant.
Également Laura Verlinden,
Laura
la toute jeune
Verlinden
actrice, formidable actrice
is on the
belge,
screen.
qui a à peine 12 ans. Elle s'appelle
We
Fantine Ardevin. On la
also
voit de
have
plus en plus dans
a
le cinéma.
child with
Elle est
us.
absolument extraordinaire dans ce film.
She's the
signé,
child actress
Michael
in
Haneke.
the
Donc,
film.
la petite fille, une famille
Her name is
complexe
Fantine
pour
Ardouin.
le moins. Et c'est une
She
vision
plays a
assez
very
désespérée que
tricky
nous offre
role
Michael Haneke
in
de
this
la
film. It's quite a
famille, de cette
complicated
famille de
portrait
grands
of a bourgeois family
disais, du
that
nord de la
Haneke has
France.
painted for us in this film called
Famille.
Happy End.
d'industriels.
It's a family which is involved in industry, owns a big industrial company.
Isabelle Huppert, 2 prix d'interprétation.
Isabelle Huppert has
À ses
2
côtés,
Best
Jean-Louis
Actresses,
Trintignant,
Best Actress
Michael Haneke,
awards.
2 palmes d'or.
Michel Haneke has
Dire
2
si
Golden
ceux qui sont là
Palms.
connaissent le
So
Festival de
we
Cannes.
are looking at people
Mathieu
who are very
Kassovitz est
familiar
là
with the Cannes
également,
Film Festival.
interprète,
Mathieu
Comme il
Kassovitz,
l'a été pour un
is,
héros très discret.
an
de
actor
Jacques Audiard, c'était
in
en
this film. He's
96,
also worked for
mais
Audiard
on se
in
souvient bien sûr aussi du
1996,
réalisateur de La Haine.
but he also
compétition,
directed the
c'était en
film La
95.
Haine in competition. That was in 1995.
Mais bien sûr, notre héros de cette journée,
But
c'est
the
Jean-Louis
hero of
Trintignant.
our day is Jean-Louis
Il était
Trintignant.
là avec Amour.
He came with the film Love, directed by Haneke.
Il était venu
In 2012,
également avec ceux qui m'aiment
He was
prendront le train.
in Ceux qui m'aiment prendront le train,
De
Those Who
Patrick
Love Me Will
Chéreau.
Take the Train, by Patrick Chéreau.
3 couleurs rouges.
3 colors red.
Il avait accompagné à ses débuts
And
la Palme d'Or d'un homme et une femme en
he
1966.
was in
de Claude Lelouch.
1966, the Lelouch film, A Man and a Woman. Another
Il était revenu avec Manu
Gold Palm
Chemo
winner. He
de
came back
d'Éric
with
Rohmer.
Chamu by Eric Romer.
En 69,
that was in 69. In 67, he was here with My Love, My Love, and he came with Costa Gavras with Z in 69.
Mais depuis quelque temps, bien sûr, il tourne
But
très
over
peu.
recent years, he's not filmed quite as much.
J'imagine vraiment pour Michael Haneke qu'il a accepté de tourner une nouvelle fois aux côtés d'Isabelle Huppert
acting alongside Isabelle Huppert. After their wonderful film Love, this film is called Happy End. Isabelle Huppert won her Best Actress, one of them for The Piano Teacher by Haneke, another for a Chabrol film in 78. She's one of the very rare actresses who's got 2 Best Actress awards.
Alors qu'ils sont un peu plus nombreux à avoir 2 palmes d'or comme Michael Haneke.
There are quite a few more directors who have 2 Golden Palms, and he is competing for a 3rd, and that would be unique in the history of Cannes, unique in the whole world. Michael Haneke here in Cannes in competition. In 1997, he came to Cannes with Funny Games, and then he came back with Juliette Binoche in Code Unknown. Then there was The Piano Teacher, which we've just mentioned, and he won the Grand Prix for that. That was in 2001, and Isabelle Huppert got the Best Actress prize for that film, The Piano Teacher. Then in 2002, Time of the Wolf, and then in 2009, the Palme d'Or with the White Ribbon, and Palme d'Or in 2012 with the film Love. Here he's back in Cannes with A Happy End. The young actress who you can see there on the screen, Fantine Ardouin.
Qu'on avait pu voir dans le Voyage de Fanny de Lola Doyon,
was in the Lola Doyon film, The Travels of Fanny, Le Voyage de Fanny. She was 12 when she was in a story about Aladdin, Les Nouvelles Aventures d'Aladin by Arthur Benzacoin. And she plays the role of Jean-Louis Trintignant's granddaughter. Jean-Louis Trintignant is as surprising as ever with the quality of his performance. And this young girl, this child, acts alongside him and is quiet. It is very, very intense. There's a wonderful scene which involves the 2 of them. It's violent though, because the grandpa is confessing something quite awful to the granddaughter. This is a young girl who loses her mother at the beginning of the film. She was born into a first marriage between her dad, played by Mathieu Kassovitz, and Mathieu Kassovitz is now taking care of his daughter now that the wife is dead, and she meets her grandfather for the first time, despite the fact that she's over 10, and she is always filming using her mobile phone. She films everything. She films the family, what's going on in the family. And there's quite a lot of drama and cruelty in the things that she films. It's quite hopeless in many ways.
Voilà. Le père, le fils.
There we have
Jean-Louis Trintignant, Mathieu Kassovitz.
Trintignant on your screen, playing the father of Mathieu Kassovitz and Isabelle Huppert. There's an amazing physical resemblance between Trintignant and Kassovitz.
Voilà Jean-Louis Trintignant.
There he is, Jean-Louis Trintignant on the screen. Mathieu Kassovitz taking a selfie.
Une des plus belles cinématographies mondiales.
He's had such an amazing career.
Il a tourné devant la caméra des plus grands réalisateurs.
Has worked with all of the greatest directors.
Une légende du cinéma à Cannes, applaudi.
And he's getting a really great round of applause there by the photographers, as is only right and fitting. And here we have the director.
Celui qui, par son talent,
for his photos and his talent and his commitment to art,
à le convaincre de venir
have been
tourner
able to convince Jean-Louis Trintignant to come back and make yet another film. The director, Michael Haneke, with 2 Palme d'Or, a very harsh look at human nature.
Souvent désespéré, mais parfois
Often
tendre aussi.
without hope, but sometimes tender.
Et bien sûr, une maîtrise absolue
And he has perfect
de
mastery
l'art du cinéma.
of the filmmaking art.
Je vous le disais, 2 Palmes d'Or.
He's got 2 Golden Palms, 2 Palme d'Or, as I already mentioned.
Et voilà son actrice fétiche,
And here he is with
Isabelle
his
Huppert,
favorite actress, Isabelle Huppert.
présidente du jury quand il avait reçu la Palme
She
d'Or pour le
was
ruban blanc.
the president of the jury when he won the Palme d'Or for the white ribbon.
Comédienne. Bien sûr, ce sont des légendes du cinéma hein,
They're 2 living legends
à
of
différents niveaux.
the movie
mais,
world in front of
Jean-Louis
us here
Trintignant,
today.
Michael Haneke. Il y a un lien très fort
There are very
entre cet
strong
interprète et
links
ce réalisateur.
between both of these actors and their director. Between Trintignant, Huppert and Haneke.
Voilà Isabelle Huppert.
Here we have Isabelle Huppert.
La première fois qu'elle est venue à Cannes,
The first time she came to Cannes was back in 75, and then she came back with The Lacemaker, and she got a Best Actress Award for the Chabrol film. Then she came back with The Bronte Sisters,
de Jean-Luc Godard,
a Godard film, Lulu.
La Porte du Paradis, on s'en souvient également, de Michael Cimino.
And she came with a Cimino film in 81.
L'histoire de Pierre en 83, Malina en
Heaven's
91,
Gate. She was back in 1991 in Malina, the Strutter film. She came back in Sayas film in the year 2000. It was called Sentimental Destinies, and then she came, of course, in 2001 with The Piano Teacher.
Second prix d'interprétation.
And that was her second Best Actress Palm. And then she came back in Time of the Wolf with Haneke and Love by Haneke as well. Last year she was here for the film Elle by Paul Verhoeven.
Film qui lui a valu une nouvelle reconnaissance et un parcours extraordinaire, et notamment
really stood out in that film. I think she got a Golden Globe for that film.
Un grand acteur et
And here on your screen we have a wonderful actor and also a director now, Mathieu Kassovitz.
Son film en 95, La
In
Haine, film en noir et blanc.
95, his film, which he filmed in black and white, called La Haine, really did mark the festival, and it remains a reference point on that particular subject.
Avec sa modernité.
It was such a modern film, such a modern tone to that film.
Il était revenu avec un héros très discret en
He
96.
came back in 1996 with a self-made hero,
Assassin.
and he came with the film Assassins in 1997.
Et puis donc il est là pour Happy End.
And here he is
de
in
Michael Haneke.
2017 for the film Happy End, directed by Michael Haneke.
Mathieu Kassovitz.
Mathieu Kassovitz is his name, and he's here in Cannes.
Un extrait de Happy End.
Let's take a look at a trailer.